We are Lima Trucks, the importer and seller of quality Japanese second-hand truck and heavy machinery operating in Subic. We sell and export used trucks and heavy machinery in the Philippines in order to reach new and broader horizon around the world. Electrician. They are the one monitoring the inside input of the units, and they are the one fixing those unworking functions such as wires, dashboards, lights, and some. Painting area. Seep-through area. Letero. They are the one reassemble those units that are not in fixed, using some flammable things, machinery equipments and skills. Painter. They are the one handling how to make the units be prepossessing and fully furnished. Detailer. They are the one monitoring all the important details of the unit and make the unit be enthusiastic. Purchaser. Driver. Chief Detailing. Chief Guard. Conversion. They are the one managing the condition of the unit. Mechanic. The mechanic emphasize how the unit will work through engine and sub. Here with Lima Trucks, we provide our customers with the best vehicles for the best price utilizing our national network, which constitute of 10 branches throughout Japan. Units we source from Japan are shipped and reconditioned to be ready out of the Philippines roads. If you can't find a vehicle that fits your needs in our stock list, you can request to import your vehicle from Japan